Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the hottest gaming tips, tricks, and hacks. Today, I've got something awesome for you. A super easy hack method to get unlimited rainbow diamonds in One Piece Bounty Rush. No complicated steps, no special tools needed. This works on both iOS and Android, and you don't need to jailbreak, root, or even use a computer. I've tried it myself and it works perfectly. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Let's jump in. First, we need to find our user ID. This is important because we'll need it later. Just open One Piece Bounty Rush, go to your profile settings, and you'll see your user ID. Copy it somewhere because we'll use it in the next step. Got it? Awesome. Let's keep going. Now, grab your mobile device, open any browser, and head to this special website. It offers cool extras for popular mobile games and apps. In today's guide, we're focusing on One Piece Bounty Rush Unlimited Rainbow Diamonds hack. Use the search bar to quickly find One Piece Bounty Rush and just click on the search result and you'll be taken to the dedicated page. Easy so far, right? Let's move on. On this page, you'll see a form. Here's what you need to do. Pick your platform and enter your username. That user ID we found earlier. Double check everything and hit the connect button. Now, the system will link to the game's servers. It's fully automated and safe. Just wait a few moments. Once your account is connected, you'll see a menu with different options. It's best to leave the default settings, pick the amount of resources you want, and press generate. Now, the system will start working, encrypting, checking security, and making sure everything runs smoothly. This might take a minute or two, so be patient. Almost done. To finish up, you'll need to do a quick verification to prove you're a real person and not a bot. It's really easy. Usually you might have to install and run free app from official app store. If you're unsure what to do, don't worry. The website has a step-by-step guide to help you through it. Just follow the instructions and you'll be done in no time. Once you complete the verification, your resources will show up in your account almost instantly. I already tested it earlier and check this out. My Rainbow Diamonds balance is loaded and I didn't have to spend hours grinding. Now I can play without worrying about running out of Rainbow Diamonds. Feels amazing, right? And that's it. Super simple, right? If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome gaming content and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything new. Thanks for watching. Happy gaming. See you in the next video.